used to measure the movement of earthquakes. A weight is suspended in a way that allows it to remain still when the ground moves. Most modern instruments use an electromagnetic mechanism for this. A writing instrument is attached to the weight, allowing it to record the movement as it happens. The word graph refers to the writing action. Most modern earthquake monitoring uses seismometers, not seismographs, and record the movement of the earth digitally, or output the data to a seismogram, a printed version of the wavelengths on a large drum. These wavelengths that represent Earth's movements are so small that in order for scientists to study them, they have to be amplified.
Protection against earthquakes. We have learned that earthquakes cannot be predicted. Normally, earthquakes are taking place at all times, at all places, but these are so weak that these are difficult to even observe. However, earthquakes could be highly destructive. Moreover, it could not be predicted. And so, it is important to take precautions to protect ourselves all the time. Here are main preventive measures for protection against earthquakes. Seismic zones are places where earthquakes are more likely to occur. The people living in such zones must be specially prepared. The building in these zones should be designed such that they can withstand major tremors, that is, shakes. By consulting qualified architects and structural engineers, people should make the structures of building simple and quake safe. In highly seismic areas, use of mud or timber is often a better choice than heavy construction material. The roof must be light enough such that if earthquake occurs and the roof falls, then it will not cause much damage. If cupboards and shelves are placed near the walls, then they will not fall easily. The places of hanging wall clocks, photo frames must be chosen such that during earthquake they won't fall on people. All buildings, especially tall buildings, must have firefighting equipment so as to tackle the issue of fire. The Central Building Research Institute, Roorkee, has provided information to make quake-proof houses. What you should do when the earthquake strikes? If you are at home, take shelter under a table and stay there till the shaking stops. Stay away from tall and heavy objects that may fall on you. If you are in bed, don't get up. Protect your head with a pillow. If you are outdoors, find a clear spot safe from buildings, trees, and overhead power lines and drop to the ground. If you are in a car or a bus, don't come out. Ask the driver to drive slowly to a clear spot. Don't come out till the tremors stop. I hope you have understood this topic very well. Thanks for watching this video.